page, just page one per page, or could put probably a couple per page and make it, because they're long and slant, so they should be like they're columns.
But then my cell phone was acting up, it wouldn't save, so maybe it's the Lord telling us not to complain.
There's no harm. But I don't want to be on camera. I don't want to make camera.
Why don't you want to be on camera when you look good? Ooh, wow, gosh.
I don't think I was. Was I too far up? I don't think I was too far up. A little bit. Only by about a foot. Still, should have been enough room.
Tingnan nyo guys yung haircut ko, ha? You know who did my haircut?
Bad job though.
Huh?
Not a good job.
Kahit na hindi pantay, yung asawa ko, ito si Cory, yung nag-cut ng aking hair. Kasi pag tumatanda na tayo guys, nalalagas na yung buhok natin. So palagi nang nalalagas yung buhok ko kasi hanggang puwet na siya. Tapos palagi kong nauupuan pag hindi ko bina-messy bond. So sabi ko, makakalbo na talaga ako nito pag hindi putulin yung buhok ko. Kasi hindi ganito kanipis yung buhok ko before. But then I always lose like some bundles of hair every time I take a bath. So sabi ko, kailangan na talagang putulin. So, alam niyo, ang mahal na pagputol ng mga buhok dito sa Amerika, guys. How much is it? Like, pag trim lang, it's like probably $40, $35 to $40. Trim lang. Di si Cory na lang yung papuputulin ko. Libre pa, di ba? So, di bali na, tingnan mo, mas mataas yung sa kabila. Okay lang. Walang problema kasi kung saan tayo makalibre. O di, bahala na kung hindi pantay yung buhok, di ba? Ang nakaganda lang dito sa Amerika, guys, ay walang papansin sa iyo. But anyway, so punta kami ngayon doon sa aming ophthalmologist. Eyeglass ko, kailangan i-change yung lens. So dito yung ophthalmologist ko, tapos dito ako palagi kumukuha ng mga eyeglasses kasi marami silang mga varieties, different kinds of eyeglass and sunglasses. Tapos yung gusto ko was I wanted to get this one. So I think that's the same as what I got, right? Same shape but different color. Yeah. Were you the one who attended to us?
I think so. Yeah. You guys, that's right. I was gonna say you guys are familiar.
I like this one. I like her really. But then
And then you can't read.
I cannot see myself if it's close. So they have no specific date on when the sunglasses will come back, or
I'm sure they do, but just it's not in here. It's up there.
okay.
She said a couple days when I came in earlier.
Yeah, I thought he said a couple minutes. I thought he said
She
that
said-
either tonight or.
So maybe end of today, but probably 1 or 2 days.
So what's the 513?
515 is for the transitions. If you're doing clear but with your reading on it, it's 365
Clear with the reading.
prescription on it.
I'm sorry. What's the difference? I couldn't figure out what's the
One's
difference.
colored, one actually changes color, right?
One changes color when you go outside.
That's the more expensive.
That's the more expensive one. That's the 515. And like I said, I don't know exactly what the insurance will cover on that one, but usually it's not really necessary there
Right.
as what your vision requirements.
I'm videotaping my husband. What's his reaction?
Oh, you're speaking of reaction.
What
but
you
yes.
think, husband? So yun guys, yung na-install pala nila sa aking eyeglass ay non-transition, meaning makakita ako sa malayo pero hindi ako makabasa sa malapit. So to change that with changing colors, pag lalabas ka sa mainit, ang fee was $525 on top of napakalaking halaga na initial bayad na namin. So yan, karpentera, kasi maarte ka kasi. Maarte talaga ako guys when it comes to my eyeglass. Yung mga bags ko at sapatos, ay nako, kahit na ukay-ukay na yung iba, wag lang yung tatlo.
Alright, give me just a second.
I look like a robot from Mars. But this is nice accessory. I can just go shopping with this. People would think this lady needs psychiatric evaluation. I'm just making fun of myself. Ayan na, malapit na matapos ang aming stone veneer na siding. Yan. Ito po yung hitsura niya. And gusto ko talaga na, there's my husband. Hi, husband.
I'm gonna bring this over here.
Okay. Gusto ko sana na yung stone ay papunta doon. Yan dapat yung original plan. However, syempre, okay. O hindi na kasya yung binili ko sa okay. Tapos, naghanap ako doon sa mga hardware stores, discontinued na yung product na yan. Kaya, hindi na kasya. So, what we're going to do is, dyan na lang siya dapat, and then we will just continue with the siding here, like that one, or either white color na siding. So, hanggang dyan ka na lang. Hi guys! Welcome sa ating walang katapusang bahay na under construction. Kasi, ay nako, hindi na ako talaga palaging bumabalik dito. But for now, mag-stop muna ako mag-work inside. It can be done later. Ngayon, ang gagawin ko ay mag-gardening muna ako. Kaya lang ang daming lamok dito guys. Which is understandable because we are surrounded with huge trees. So, as you can remember before guys, kakita kayo ng previous videos ko. This time last year, ito po ay talagang kagubatan. Tapos we had to spend almost $10,000 just for people to clear mga 6,800 or something. Ay, nakalimutan ko na. Tapos, I'm planning to putulin ko itong mga matataas na roses because it's starting to get cold here. Pero okay pa naman, hindi pa naman talaga masyado. So, mga November ay napakalamig na. Mag-start na yan malamig. So, September, October, November, December. So, I still have 3 months, to enjoy my roses. However, pagdating ng October, end of October, kailangan ng putulin itong mga roses hanggang dyan. So, sayang naman pagpuputulin ko tapos itatapon na lang yung mga branches, diba? So, I might as well, plant them while I still can. So, I still have 3 months to have them grow up before winter comes. So, hopefully, magta-thrive sila. Okay, as usual, ito pa rin yung aming front yard. So, nagdala ako ng mga additional plants. Tingnan nyo yan. Yan. So, those are, sabihin ko yan. Those are, lilac, I guess. If I'm not mistaken. Itatanim ko yan dito. Yan. Diyan sa gilid-gilid, itanim ko. And then, those roses, yan yung may pula. Sa pula, sa puti, yan. Itatanim ko where the pink marker is, kasi dyan yung solar light ko ilalagay para naposte. So, magtatanim na po tayo.
Not easy, but whatever. Because you can't put out too much on at once.
You want me to help you?
No, it's okay. It'll back pain and everything, so it's fine.
Back pain?
I'll just do a little bit every day.
You're too young for back pain.
Not so. Not so.
Yan, tingnan niyo yung buhok ko guys, napinutol ni Cory. Gas pa nga, di bali na, libre naman. Are you able to make it a little bit flowy?
Spread it out that way.
So you can just throw it on the...
I don't know about that anymore.
I don't think Arkia can manage climbing here. We'll see.
No, they can
Huh?
probably level it out a little bit.
We can probably add one more layer.
Well, not.
I don't know. Puputulin ko ang mga branches ng aking mga roses. Tapos i-replant ko. And tingnan natin kung mabubuhay sila. Because it's already like going to cold season. Ano ba itong tripod ko? Ayaw. Ayaw na ayaw niya. Teka lang. Baka mabalintong na naman ako dito. Hindi masyadong obvious guys, pero grabe ang bangin ng bahay na ito. Okay. So yan. Puputulin ko yung ibang branches tapos itatanim ko. My gosh, cover your nose. Where is it? In the car?
The water?
Yeah.
I don't know. Didn't you bring
Cover your nose, please. Oh my goodness, you worry me.
Well, that's because I don't even...
Ay, ang tigas talaga ng ulo. Nagmamasa siya ng simento. Tapos, yung stucco ba? Tapos, lahat ng mga alikabok, pumunta, nilinalanghap niya sa kanyang ilong. Wala nga naman sa tinga. So, linalanghap niya yung mga simento. Tapos, sabi ko, my gosh, you're worrying me. Pinagalitan ko siya kasi, health hazard yung wala kang, personal protective gear na nagka-cover sa ilong mo. You are so stubborn. Yan, tuturuan ko sana yung asawa ko kung paano mag-apply ng stucco or semento dyan sa dingding. Kaya lang palpak, sabi niya. Tingnan nyo. Hindi siya believe sa akin, so sabi niya, alis ka na lang dyan, punta ka na lang doon sa mga bulaklak mo. Magtanim ka na lang. Tinuruan ko siya kung paano maglagay ng stucco, pero mas comfortable siya sa kanyang style. Okay, mas mas slow daw yung sa akin. Borg, you're doing a good job. So yan, pupunuin yan ng stucco. Yan, hanggang doon, second coating. And then, doon na naman sa kabila. Never ending work. Can you please come here? I'll teach you how to water it. I have planted new sprouts.
No, because I need to finish my work.
Okay, so I cut some
Oh my
like
goodness.
matured.
I don't think those have enough time to take root.
We still have 3 months, so it should be fine.
3 months?
Yeah, and then when you water,
No, not 3 months. It's not
okay,
3
2.5 months. So when you water it, because we're going to cut this anyway during winter time, so I
Yeah.
might as well just try to cut them now.
Okay,
And
tell me what you're
hopefully they will. Well,
Tell me
so
to
when you water it, please make sure that the thingy is not touched. Because once it is touched, like, would die.
Oh, let the thing, the can hit it?
Yeah.
Well, that seems like it's too much to ask.
Mm-mm.
Alright,
So like
fine then.
that, and then you water it down.
Hey, can you pick up your garbages, please?
No,
That stuff right there.
no, we would need to have a broom.
The rake. There might be there's a rake.
Why don't we have Ting Ting, Wallace Ting Ting here? Do you know what's Wallace Ting Ting?
Nope. Wallace thing now.
Wallace Ting Ting. It's Wallace Ting Ting. Ito yung pag-Wallace
I
Ting
don't
Ting
know what
namin.
that is.
American style, guys. Wallace Ting Ting. Can you say Wallace Ting Ting?
Wallace ting ting.
Yeah.
But then she's wanting to put white up here. We're gonna have to see, everyone. We're gonna have to see what color that is, because you think of white. Yeah, that's
White like that. like the plastic. So
Yeah, like this.
yes, so it would pop up.
Well, there's cream colored.
Yeah.
This will be cream. So
Mm-hmm.
I hope it'll.
It would be perfect. Don't worry. Okay, let me continue with my job
Let me get
here.
my work done here.
Mm-mm. Alright, tapos na kong magdilig. So ngayon, ang gagawin natin is ating i-prune itong ating roses. Ano bang prune? Yung puputulin ba yung mga patay na mga parts ng mga stem ng ating roses. So katulad nito, puputulin natin yan. Kasi number 1 is, hindi naman kailangan yan dito sa ating tanim. And number 2 is para yung ating original na stem doon or plant doon ay hindi na siya masyadong mag-effort na absorb ng water para lang sa patay. Laklak na patay na ba? So there's no need for it to exert more effort. And it's also para yung ating bulaklak ay mag-ano pa siya talaga, mag-flourish pa siya. Tutubo pa yung mga maraming sanga. So, for now, medyo masakit ito sa ating rose na yung pinuputulan na parte. Kasi syempre, sino ba namang hindi masasaktan, di ba? Pag puputulin yung parte ng katawan mo. Di ba? Katulad din sa ating life bilang mga Kristiyano, guys. If we really believe and are like living our lives in accordance to God's will, may mga tayo, kung may relationship tayo sa Panginoon, may mga hindi naman tayo perfect, di ba? So may mga ugali tayo na minsan ay puputulin ng Panginoon para mamumulaklak masyado yung ating kabaitan sa ating pagkatao. Tama ba yun? So, yan, yung mga dahon na patay na, ipuputulin ng Panginoon, and it's what you call, sa ating buhay, it's what you call God's discipline. So, disiplinahin tayo ng Panginoon kasi para makalearn tayo ng ating lesson, and at the same time, para mamumulaklak tayo ng maraming. So, katulad nito, di ba? Malapit na yung mamatay. So, puputulin din yan later on. But for those that were already dead, tapos pinutol ko, mag-rejuvenate yan, tapos mag-produce yan ng mga bagong bulaklak. So, same with our lives. Disiplina tayo sa Panginoon. Puputulin niya yung mga pangit nating mga ugali through some lessons in life, either it could be trials or whatever. Tapos, kung mag-respond tayo positively, doon natin makikita na, ganun pala, kaya pala inaalaw ng Panginoon na nangyari ito sa akin. Kasi towards the end, nakita ko na kailangan ko palang maging patient, kailangan ko palang magiging maunawain, yung mga ganun ba. So, yan. Tingnan nyo guys, yung pagpunta ko sa front lawn namin, para na lang akong mumho, ganyan ka bakilid talaga itong topography namin. Kahit na binabackfill na namin ng mga lupain, parang tagilid pa rin, pero mas okay na lang ito compared sa noon na grabe talaga yung topography niya, napakahirap. Ayan, upo-upo na si Carpentera kasi ang payod. That's what broke my back in our other renovations. Nagko-complain ng asawa ko, sakit daw yung likod niya. sa kaka-apply ng stucco doon sa gilid. Tapos sabi ko, ganyan yung nangyari sa akin nung nag-renovate kami sa other. Ha?
It's not super heavy.
That's good. You can just put it there.
Oh my gosh, I gotta finish
You need to rest, Borg.
I need to finish because it's.
Did you drink more water?
I got it over there, but we need to. Can you clean up your clippings, please?
Mm-mm.
Can you?
I need to water the plants here first. Yan muna tatlo yung ano ko. Sana yung kamay ko. Isa, dalawa, tsaka tatlo over there. Yung natanim ko kasi medyo sakit na yung payod ko. So, yung another planter, tatlo or apat din na lilac ang nandyan na dapat kong i-divide. And then, I'm gonna use these planters, yung elephant doon sa front, later on pag clean na yan. Tapos, siguro tataniman ko ng mums, kasi yung mums, nabubuhay siya kahit na malamig. Tapos, itong white roses ko, itatanim ko dito siguro kasi lalagyan ko ito ng poste. Lalagyan ko ito ng poste na solar para pag gabi magda-drive kami, makita namin kung saan kami liliko sa aming driveway. Yan. Guys, pinagtawanan ako ng kapatid ko kasi ang dami daw ang dami naming suga, ang dami naming ilaw, which is true. Sabi ko, parang napaka-overkill naman itong mga ilaw ko. Tingnan mo, oh. Ang dami unnecessary kasi yung plano ko is ito lang, chandelier lang dyan. Yan. Kaya, yun. OA na talaga ito. Yan, na-install na namin ang aming lights. Napapagod na si ako. Tingnan niyo yung asawa ko. Borg! Correct! Hindi niya ako narinig kasi parang malapit lang pero actually malayo yan. Hindi bali na. Kahit nabingi, gwapo naman. Tingnan yung buhok ko. Para akong si Jose Luis Luna. No? Sino ba? Para akong si Theodora. Sino ba yun? Yung girlfriend ni Jose Rizal. Or para akong si Cesa. But anyway, so salamat talaga. Kahit na kaunti-unti lang yung watchers ng video ko, nagpapasalamat pa rin ako sa inyo guys kasi yung mga comments niyo nakakatuwa talaga. And pagtingin ko, oy, malapit akong mag 100 views. Whereas before, nakaka-thousands ako ng views minsan. But anyway, it's still okay. Parang wala na talaga akong pag-asa na magiging ma-monetize itong videos ko, but I'm doing this for you guys and I'm doing this for my family in the Philippines so they would know what I'm doing here in America. At ito na yung asawa ko. Can you say hi?
Hello, look at me. Look what happened.
No, you look fine. Oh, you're wet. Why?
Spilled. But thankfully I did it now and not at the
Yeah,
beginning.
even if look dirty, but you're still cute. Look at my husband. Isn't he
But I'm
adorable?
like 100 years old now.